A very good morning, student. This is the lecture of object oriented programming using C++. In the last session we have already started our last unit, that is the 5th unit, file operations. It has the 8 marks and the CO which is related to this unit is the develop C++ program to perform file operations. Today we will see the reading from and writing to files. Before going to start this session, I will revise the previous session. In that we have seen the opening and closing of a file. Before performing any operation on the file, first we should open that file by using the constructor or by using the open function, and after completion of the operations on the file we can close the files by using the close function. Now reading from and writing to files. First, reading and writing text files. It is very easy and simple to read from or write to a text file. It is possible to create a text file and also read the file created in a single program. First, it takes the data from the keyboard and write it to the file using the output file stream. After writing to the file, it is completed, the data file is closed. So the creating text file is very easy, and to create the file, and also we can read the content by using the same program. So see here, the program again opens the data file using if stream, reads the information written in the file. So see here, remember OF stream, that is output file stream, which is used to write the data in the file, and if stream, that is the input file stream, is used to read the information from the file. So output file stream, O file, the file name is a list. Now name and age are the two variables having data type character and integer respectively. Now reply is the character which is character variable which is initialized by using y character. So if we type small letter y or capital letter Y, we are entering this loop. So enter name by using the scene, we are taking input from the keyboard or user. Again by using O file, we are writing the name in the file list. Again we are taking the input from the user for the age. By using the O file, we are writing the age on the list file. And now do you want to input more names? If we press S, then we are again enter in this group, otherwise we will came out of this while loop. Now O file dot close. Now this list file is closed and we have written the name and age of the person. Now this file is opened by using the if stream. So it is used for the reading the data from the file, that is the list file. Now while here we are passing the object of this file, class. Why? Because it shows the end of the file. Now if file, we are taking the name from the file, again we are taking the age from the file, and we are going to display name and age on the screen. Now again by using the close function, we are closing the file. So what is the output of this program is enter name Amar, age is 36. After that again, do you want to input more names? If we press N, we came out of the while loop, and it is showing this name Amar and age 36. Now we will see reading and writing binary files. Before we have seen the previously we have seen the reading and writing text files. Now we will see the binary files. In C++, the function write and read are available to write and read the blocks of binary data in binary file. The function write and read are used in binary files to write and read data from them respectively. This means that values are stored in the disk file in the same format in which they are stored in the internal memory. So write and read functions access data in binary format, that is data representation in the file is same as they are stored in the internal memory. So the binary format is useful storage because no conversion of data is required, therefore saving is faster. So we already know that if you want to store any file in the memory, first it is converted into binary format and then going to store into the memory. But here we are directly reading and writing binary files, so it is very faster. The read function is used to read a set of characters from the file, whereas write function is used to write set of characters into the file. So read function is used to read the information and write function is used to write the information into the file. So see here the syntax for read and write function. File object name dot read character address of variable name size of variable name, and for write just file object name dot write character ampersand variable name size of. Now see the program to create a file having 4 names of person stored and display the content of the file. So fstream, which is used to create the file of here, ob1 is the object of fstream, integer is the count which is used for the counter, here name. Now object1 dot open person, and here is the file mode in the out mode. So person is a file name. Now count 0. This for loop is used to get 4 names from the user. So by using the cin function, we are taking the input from the user, that is the 4 name from the user. Again by using this object1 dot write character address name, that is the name of the person, size of name means what? Suppose if we write the name Amar, then AMAR, we require the 4 byte. But suppose we write the another name like Akbar, then AKBAR, so we require the 5 bytes. So size of function is used because the name size is different from the different name. Now by using the object1 dot close, we are going to close this file. Again this file is open into the input mode. Here see in the output mode for the writing mode, and now in for the reading mode. Now here we have write the object1 dot write. Here we are writing the object1 dot read character name ampersand name size of name. Now this is a not object1 dot end of file, means until the end of the file we are using the cout dot write name, and object1 dot read, here we are writing and reading the information from the file, and lastly we have closed the file. So this is the output computer computer IT IT, and here is the output computer computer IT IT. Now we will see the reading and writing a class object. Here in C++ basic central elements is an object. So naturally the language supports the feature of reading from and writing to disk file objects directly. The binary input and output functions read and write are designed to do the same job. These functions handle the entire structure of an object as a single unit. The function write copies a class object from memory byte by byte with no conversion. We must remember that only data members are written to the disk files and not the member functions. The read and write functions handle a class object byte by byte without conversion. So see here the program how class object can be written and read from the disk file. Now see here class student integer roll number name. By using this public void read function, we are taking the input from the user for roll number and name, and by using the show function we are going to display roll number and name of the person. Now student S1, now S1 is the object of class student. S1 dot read, here we are taking the input from the user, and after taking the input from the user we are writing this on the student dot text file. So offstream out student dot text in a binary format. Now out dot write size of, now by using this, first we are opening the stud.txt file. By using the write operation we are writing this name and roll number to the file. Now if stream in, here again we are opening the stud file in the binary format and reading format. Now by using the read function we are reading the information from the file, and s1.show, by using this we are displaying the roll number and name. So enter your roll number and name, that is the 1 and Raj, and by using this show function we are displaying roll number and name, that is the 1 and Raj. So this is the reading and writing a class object. In the next section we will see the detecting the end of file, and this will be our last point of this course and unit.